Hey guys, welcome to my new video. In this video, I'll be doing a camera comparison between Galaxy Note 10 Lite and iPhone 11. As we all know that iPhone 11 has a class-leading camera setup. At the rear, it has a dual camera setup of 12 megapixel with the main camera of 1.8 aperture with wide angle and an ultra-wide angle lens of 12 megapixel with f2.4 aperture. It can shoot 4K videos at 24, 30 and 60 frames per second. On the front, it has a 12 megapixel selfie camera with f2.2 aperture. Now the selfie camera is also wide angle and it can shoot 4K at 60 frames per second. Now on the other hand, we have Galaxy Note 10 Lite, which is the latest device by Samsung. Now Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus has an awesome camera. It's a very good all-round camera. So just like the Galaxy Note 10, this device is also rocking a triple camera setup of 12 megapixel on the rear. So you have the main camera of 12 megapixel with f1.7 aperture. You do have an ultra wide camera of 12 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. Also there is a telephoto lens of 12 megapixel which is f2.4 aperture. On the front of this device you have a selfie camera of 32 megapixel with f2.2 aperture. One of the best thing about this device, it can shoot 4K, 30 and also 60 frames per second from the rear camera. Even the Galaxy S10 Lite, which has been launched recently, cannot do that. So this is an awesome feature Samsung has included in this camera. Also from the front you can record 4K videos with 30 frames per second. So in terms of the camera specification, both of them look neck and neck, but let's test them in the real world scenario and see which one has an edge. If you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the thumbs up. I will really appreciate that. Also, you can click over here to see my unboxing of Galaxy Note 10 Lite video. So let's start the video, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so you will get notified every time I post a new video. In terms of the night mode, I think iPhone 11 has slight edge compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. Also, there is a poll running over here. Which camera you like the most? Kindly click over here to enter the poll. So this is the camera comparison with Galaxy Note 10 Lite and iPhone 11. Now this is a video recording on 1080p 60 frames per second. Galaxy Note 10 Lite has a super steady mode on, so let me know in the comments which video quality you like the most. So you can see the Note 10 Lite is overexposing everything. On the other hand, iPhone 11, the video quality is much more clear. There is a noise in both the There's definitely a noise in both the footage, but iPhone 11 footage looks much more cleaner and the details are more prominent. But yes, in terms of the stabilization, both the phones have very good stabilization. Note 10 Lite has slight edge in terms of the super steady mode on. Now this is a video comparison between the Galaxy Note 10 Lite and iPhone 11. Both are recording in 4K 60 frames per second. Now it's such a wonderful thing that Galaxy Note 10 Lite, being a mid-end device, also can shoot in 4K 60 frames per second. Also, you can see the audio icon for the sound quality. Let me know in the comments which one is more stabilized. iPhone 11 look much more stabilized than the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. And also the colors, the video quality is much better than the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. The dynamic range is also nice. But Galaxy Note 10 Lite is also doing a decent job. This is a 1080p video recording from both the devices, Galaxy Note 10 Lite and iPhone 11. Now Galaxy Note 10 Lite has a super steady mode which is turned on. Let me know in the comments, how do you find the stabilization for both the devices? I think both of them are doing a good job. In terms of the clarity, I think Galaxy Note 10 Lite has more brighter colors compared to the iPhone 11. Let me walk a little bit fast. Also, you can see the audio icon in the screen. Both the smartphones are doing a great job, but Galaxy Note 10 Lite super steady mode is really good. So overall, I will say in terms of the picture quality, both are neck and neck, but definitely iPhone has better dynamic range, and also you can find more details in iPhone pictures. Now in terms of the video, it's a clear winner. iPhone 11 has a better video quality, dynamic range, and also the details you can find in the video is much better compared to the Galaxy Note 10 Lite. But again, for the price of Galaxy Note 10 Lite, I think it's a very good deal. The camera is decent. It's not like the Galaxy Note 10 or the Galaxy Note 10 Plus, but still it's very close. And the advantage is you can shoot 4K 30 and 60 frames per second from the rear. And also you can shoot 4K videos from the front camera, which is really great. So that's all guys for this video. I hope to see you in my next video. Kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye and peace out. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.